Smart Cities Explained. The IoT infrastructure behind the buzz. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the technologies shaping the future. Today, we're exploring a concept that's rapidly transforming the way we live: smart cities. In this video, we'll break it all down in clear, simple terms. We'll explore how smart cities function, the technologies behind them, and real-world examples already changing lives. Make sure to watch until the end to fully understand how IoT is making cities smarter, safer, and more efficient. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of technology. Section 1. What is a smart city? A smart city is a technologically advanced urban area that uses IoT and data analytics to manage resources and services efficiently. From traffic control to waste management, energy distribution to public safety, everything is optimized. The goal of a smart city is not just to modernize, but to create an environment that is sustainable, responsive, and citizen-focused. Section 2. Core components of IoT in smart cities. The Internet of Things plays a foundational role in building smart cities. IoT refers to a network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data in real time. Let's explore the key components of IoT infrastructure in smart cities. Smart sensors. These tiny devices are embedded throughout the city, in traffic lights, water pipes, street lights, garbage bins, and more. They detect everything from motion and temperature to pollution and water levels. They provide data that helps the city respond quickly and intelligently. Network connectivity sensors and devices must communicate. That's where 5G, LPWAN, Wi-Fi, and fiber optics come in. These networks allow for seamless transmission of massive volumes of data with low latency. Data processing center data from IoT devices is sent to centralized or distributed cloud servers for processing. These centers use AI and machine learning to analyze the data and deliver actionable insights. User interfaces and applications. Smart cities offer dashboards and apps for both city officials and citizens. These platforms allow residents to monitor traffic, report issues, track buses, or even adjust energy consumption. Section 3. Real-world applications of smart city IoT. Let's break down how smart cities use IoT in everyday urban functions. 1. Smart traffic management. Sensors and cameras monitor traffic flow and adjust signals in real time to prevent congestion. In some cities, apps notify drivers of traffic jams and suggest alternate routes automatically. 2. Intelligent waste collection. IoT-enabled garbage bins send alerts when they're full. This prevents overflow, reduces unnecessary trips, and saves municipal resources. 3. Smart lighting systems. Street lights automatically adjust brightness based on movement or time of day. This reduces electricity costs and enhances safety. 4. Environmental monitoring. Air quality sensors measure pollution in real time. This data informs public health decisions and alerts residents when air quality is poor. 5. Energy grids. Smart meters allow real-time monitoring of electricity use. They also enable dynamic pricing and automate grid switching during outages. Section 4. Cities already using IoT to go smart. Let's take a look at real-world cities leading the way. Singapore. One of the most advanced smart cities using IoT to manage water, traffic, and housing. Citizens can access government services through a single digital portal. Barcelona implemented smart parking, energy-efficient buildings, and connected buses. IoT tech reduced water usage in parks by over 25%. Amsterdam built open data platforms, allowing startups and citizens to access city information. Smart streetlights and connected canals reduce power and flood risks. Dubai has launched the Smart Dubai initiative, using IoT to monitor traffic, energy, and public satisfaction in real time. San Diego installed over 3,000 smart sensors for traffic and pedestrian flow analysis, helping reduce accidents and manage public services better. Section 5. Benefits of smart city IoT infrastructure. Improved quality of life. Services become more reliable and responsive. Citizens spend less time stuck in traffic or waiting for public transport. Resource optimization. Water, energy, and manpower are used more efficiently. This reduces waste and operational costs. Sustainability and climate impact. Reduced emissions and smarter energy use support climate action goals. Economic growth. Smart cities attract investments and startups due to high-tech infrastructure. They create new jobs in data science, AI, and tech services. Section 6, the future of smart cities. The smart city movement is just beginning. Here's what the future might look like. AI-powered decision-making. Cities will increasingly rely on predictive analytics. Systems will anticipate traffic, weather events, or energy demands before they happen. Interconnected regions. Smart cities may evolve into smart regions. Multiple cities could share data for broader environmental or traffic management. Citizen-driven design. Future cities will include citizen feedback in real-time city planning. Apps will allow residents to vote or suggest changes instantly. Blockchain for transparency. Blockchain could be used to verify public contracts, track services, or secure elections. Autonomous infrastructure. Self-driving buses, robotic cleaners, and automated road repairs may soon become part of everyday life. We hope this video gave you a deeper understanding of what smart cities are and how IoT powers them. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth content about the technologies shaping our future. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.